Every household has its own take and version of khichdi, and this is mine. It's a very nutritious and healthy rice item. Today's episode, we're going to make Masala Khichdi. Let's heat up a tablespoon and a half of ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add cumin seeds, cinnamon and cloves, dry red chilli. I'm just going to tear it into half. And let this cook for a few seconds. And now I'm going to add in my onions. I don't want my onions to turn brown, just nicely cook. Coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to throw in my chopped tomatoes. And also with my tomatoes, I'm going to add in my spices. So it has enough time to cook. I have Garam Masala, Red Chilli Powder, black salt. I'm also going to add in the regular salt so that it helps the tomatoes and the onions to cook faster. My tomatoes are nice and soft now, and I'm going to add in the rice, my pressure cooked rice and dal. Mix moong dal and rice together with 2 cups of water and 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. So I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Mix it well. And I'm also going to throw in my vegetables now. Boiled vegetables, you can add any of the vegetables of your choice. You can also add in some sprouts if you like. So whatever you have in handy. I'm going to add in a little more of water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Khichdi is very quick to make, especially when you're not in the mood to cook something very elaborate. It's a very satisfying and a very nutritious meal, especially for the people who enjoy rice. My khichdi has been simmering since 5 minutes and it's ready to plate. I'm going to serve it with some roasted papad. The khichdi is not very spicy, so I'm going to serve it with a little bit of spicy mango pickle and some coriander leaves to garnish. Hope you enjoyed this satisfying meal and don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.